Good morning, Mr. Kotalik. What's going on?
Not much. And there's Moki Gizmo over there.
Moki! What is up? What's going on, Moki? A good doggy. Moki.
Yeah.
Moki Gizmo. Gizmotron. Mokitron. Hockeytron. So, Mr. Kotalik, how many Skype movies do we plan on doing before school starts?
I don't know. Minecraft on PlayStation 4.
With the new Zack Attack with 1001. That's what we're gonna call you now. Oh, new Mr. Kotalik. With the new Mr. Kotalik.
Yeah, but Zack Attack is now dead though.
It's upgraded to Zack Attack Studios. How come all three of you gentlemen? I'm gonna do a Q&A with you pretty soon. We're just gonna do a random chat for this video though.
So you can show them and print it. So half my videos are unlisted. So I just felt like my videos were just so. But there's a big thing that's coming out September 15th, Mr. Hata. It's a movie. It's our documentary movie, and it's 1 hour. It's going to be around 1 hour, and the movie comes out September 15th.
Oh yeah.
Are you excited?
Very. We're going to be doing a couple video. Hopefully we'll get a couple movies today.
Do you want to see most of Gizmo? You see him?
Oh, Moki Gizmo. It's a little monster.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing Q&A with you pretty soon after we end this short 10-minute video chat though. We definitely have a lot of videos to catch up on both sides though. I mean, you're retired from your random videos.
This is your first time seeing Gizmo.
Oh yeah, it actually is.
Good dog. Good Gizmo, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gizmo's a good dog. A lot of people say that Gizmo is cute.
Moki. Mr. Dog Moki. Moki was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Moki Yamoda.
Yeah. This is a tour of his room. We're doing it on webs.
So, Mr. Kotalik, we'll get that Q&A video within for our next video together. Let's see what else. Yeah, it's gonna be Q&A of why Zack Attack is dead and how come you. The questions will include why is Zack Attack dead? Why did you delete your videos? And why unlist your videos? And why are you upgrading? And how come you decided to make a movie? We're gonna just ask about like 5 different questions.
Yeah.
We'll boil that pretty soon, though.
I just thought that Zack Attack was kind of a dumb name.
We're not gonna do the Q&A yet, though. We'll do that in the next video. But yeah, we'll be talking about your changes and whatnot.
Yeah, I might still do vlogs, but I'm quitting reviews. So.
I'm surprised you liked doing reviews.
I know, but I still might do vlogs still.
Really?
Yep. Did you hear that, Mr. Hata?
Yes, sir.
Did you hear that, Mr. Hata?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's the gunshot, Mr. Hata.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I shot someone.
Alright.
Yeah, so are you excited for my new changes, Mr. Hansa?
Oh, yes, very much.
Yep. I might still... yeah, and I'm also quitting live streams, and...
Why? But you could get views off of it without doing anything. It's like, all I have to do is talk in a live stream. We're actually doing one on another channel side.
Yeah, but, like, I'm quitting... Yeah, but... I'm quitting, like, pretty much everything, but some new materials.
Very interesting.
I'm focusing more on... Well, right now, we're focusing a lot on the movie right now. Because we want this movie to be successful. You don't have to be scared, Gizmo. It's fake. Okay. Reload on it. Oh, yeah. I don't know. There we go. Are you hey, Mr. Hotz, are you ready to be shot?
Yeah, ready.
Alright. There, I shot you, Mr. Hotz, I shot you.
Oh, yeah.
You actually like yourself being shot?
That was so fake, though.
What? Should I make a video of me just shooting? Well, it's still zacktap1001.webs.com, but I'm gonna change it. Okay, I'm putting a link to it on my website. Yeah. zacktap1001 at .webs.com. Yeah, I still need to change it. I don't know if I can change the URL. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, by the way, Mr. Rata, I'm updating my website too.
Oh, yeah. Definitely do that, too.
Yeah.
That's a lot of videos we did this morning. We're going to be doing at least 15 videos this morning.
I might continue rants, though.
Keep doing the rants. The rants are definitely pretty cool.
But right now, we're really focusing on the movie to release on September 15th. What? What? So, I put like new. I bought it. Then I'm looking for the best quality stuff, Mom. So, Mr. Hodge, what do you think of my new variety videos? I put everything in the description. I'm still got it. What do you think of my new variety of videos?
Gonna miss your food reviews, though. Gonna really miss you doing food reviews. Your food reviews are pretty fun.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna miss the video chats and the vlogs.
I kind of felt like I wasn't meant for food reviews.
Same here. Tyler's not meant either. Tyler, me, and you are not meant for food reviews at all. We just do them for fun. That was it. Not doing as many now, just way too many videos to catch up on. The goal is to hit 2,000 videos and beat every one of you guys. We're going to easily beat, are you going to do weather videos still?
That out. I need to edit my website.
Yeah, we'll do a Q&A pretty soon.
One more speck of Zack Attack that's left in the website and then it will change. There's one more thing. There's 95% of Zack Attack is dead.
Sadly.
Gizmo, wanna be shot? Okay, Gizmo. Oh crap. Did I just break this? No, that one. Yeah. Okay, I'll call you back, Mr. Content. I'm gonna make a short video of this gunshot.
That's cool.